You mentioned that there's a huge push towards how do we humanize businesses in the world. We see it in the corporate world, that we see that more in the annual statements, but we're starting to see directives coming in from the European Commission.
Yeah.
But what is it actually? Because everyone talks about we are humanizing businesses.
Yeah.
What does it actually mean?
Yeah, that's an excellent question. I don't have a straight answer to that, but basically it comes down to, now I have to go back to the Sustainable Development Goals of the UN. I don't know if you're familiar, but they defined a couple of goals like no poverty, that's a goal, but you have, I think, 17 of them, and it's about the world going through more a stakeholder capitalism instead of a shareholder capitalism. So that means you don't only take into account your shareholders and you maximize profit, but no, you take into account the community. So you cannot call yourself a leader if you do bad for the community. That's a bit the whole humanizing. But of course, there's a lot of things that kicking in, and there's like the inclusive society, Black Lives Matter, the whole digitalization, where you have to take into account, okay, so what's the effect on humans? So it's, yeah, humanizing business, it sounds really cool, but just to give a clear definition, it's a bit difficult. Let's say a more inclusive society, I would define it as that.